Okay guys, here we are again, another video. I'm going to do another unboxing video here. Today the Sony INZONE H9 WH-6900N Bluetooth gaming noise cancellation headset. I want to see how this works later, and I may make a video having it set up and everything, but for now we'll just unbox it. As I like to do, I like to kind of turn it around and see what all the features are. For PC, PlayStation 5 comes with PC software, 2.4 gigahertz band, wireless as well. Comes with the USB transceiver, boom microphone as well. So let's open this up and see how it is. Okay. Here we go. So you see the headset, you see some cables here. Oh. USB cable, USB-C to USB-A. We've obviously got a setup guide in here. We've got the transceiver right here. Okay. And there's the headset. Fold down boom microphone. Feels good. Feels very good. Just took a shower. I got a little bit of water on the ear cup here. So we'll see. We'll see how these work. What else do we have here? I guess we've got the. There's a gaming button, a chat button here, if you can see that. A Bluetooth button here. And then the power button is right there. And then you plug in the USB cable to charge it right here. There you go. But there you go. So far, it just, with the first impressions here, these feel very good, very solid, good quality, very comfortable, cushiony material here. So it shouldn't be an issue to have these on for a long time. Volume is here as well. Just the volume there. And that's pretty much it. I guess in here is the instruction manual. Just a warning thing. Here's the manual. Yeah, pretty standard, not very much information. And I wasn't really expecting much of any either. They mentioned it having PC software. I wonder where that would be. Probably a downloadable link or something here. Looks like some stickers here as well. See what it says here. Yeah, there's a link to download the software. Perfect. Okay, guys, so there we go. There's an unboxing. The H9 INZONE Sony Bluetooth noise canceling headset. I think it'll be pretty good. So remember to subscribe to my channel, Jim Elliott. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll come out with another video very soon.